90% of AI consultancies right now are burning cash building low-margin prompt wrappers and technical prototypes that enterprise boardrooms will never let hit production. Why? Because enterprise buyers don't just want fancy AI models. They want regulatory immunity, risk architecture, and board-level compliance. With mandates like the EU AI Act active, the demand for certified AI governance strategists has exploded. Today, I'm breaking down AI governance from scratch, taking you from complete beginner to high-ticket pro in 4 clear steps. Grab a pen, let's get into it. Level 1, understanding risk classification. To govern AI, you don't need to write Python from scratch, but you need to understand how regulatory bodies categorize risk under major frameworks like the EU AI Act. Every AI system gets bucketed into 4 levels. Unacceptable risk. Cognitive behavioral manipulation or real-time biometric identification in public spaces is banned outright. High risk. Automated hiring software, credit scoring, medical diagnostics, and critical infrastructure. These require mandatory audits, fundamental rights assessments, and strict human oversight. Limited and minimal risk. Standard chatbots, spam filters, and recommendation engines requiring simple transparency disclosures. Your entry point as a beginner is learning how to audit a business's tech stack and identify which algorithms hit the high risk threshold. Level 2. Mastering the frameworks. To go from beginner to intermediate, you need to speak the language of enterprise risk. You don't guess, you build against 3 global gold standards. NIST AI Risk Management Framework, RMF, the US benchmark focused on 4 core functions: govern, map, measure, and manage. ISO IEC 42001, the Global Management System Standard AI, similar to what ISO 27001 did for cybersecurity. The EU AI Act, the world's most comprehensive binding framework with extraterritorial reach. As an advisor, you translate these dense statutory documents into clear operational checklists for C-suite executives. Level 3, operationalizing governance. This is how pros command premium retainers. This is where you move past pure theory. Real pros don't just hand clients a 50-page PDF policy that sits on a shelf. You implement policy as code. You build runtime guardrails, deterministic audit trails, and automated registry scanners. You evaluate data provenance, test for algorithmic bias, and set up continuous monitoring pipelines so that when an auditor knocks on the door, the client's compliance proof is already generated automatically in real time. When you solve the gap between legal policy and technical execution, you stop competing on price and start locking in high-ticket retainers. If you want to fast-track this journey, stop trying to figure out enterprise sales and governance on your own. Join our Skool community today using the link in description. You'll get direct access to our core frameworks, live weekly masterclasses, and the exact career pathway we use to help consultants scale their advisory practices. Drop a comment below with the word governance and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you inside the community.